Annabeth said you might be here. Rough night? Yeah, me too. Saw a bullet with my name on it. We got him.
Got who?
Katie's killers. Got him cold.
Killers. Plural?
Yeah. Kids. Actually, Ray Harris's son, Ray Jr., and a kid, John O'Shea, confessed a couple hours ago.
No doubt.
None.
Why?
They don't know. They were playing with a gun, saw a car coming, so one of them lays down in the middle of the street. Car swerves. Clutch kicks out. O'Shea says they just meant to scare her. But the gun went off. Katie hit him with the door and ran. And they chased after her so she wouldn't tell nobody.
The beating they gave her?
Ray Jr. had a hockey stick. Take it easy, Jim. Breathe. Look at me. I got a call this morning from Celeste Boyle. She was hysterical. Said Jimmy had gone missing, said you might know where he is. We need to talk to him. Boston police called, said they found the body of this guy in the woods behind McGill's.
A guy.
Yeah, a pedophile with 3 priors. They want to talk to Dave. When was the last time you saw Dave, Jimmy?
The last time I saw Dave. Dave Boyle?
Yes, Dave Boyle.
It was 25 years ago. Down this street, in the back of that car.
Jimmy, what did you do?
Thanks for catching Katie's killers, Sean. Really. If only you'd been a little quicker.
What, so you just gonna send Celeste $500 a month too? You know, sometimes I think all 3 of us got in that car. And all this is just a dream.
A dream, sure.
But in reality, we're just 11-year-old boys trapped in a cellar, wondering what our lives would have been if we just escaped.
Maybe you're right. But who the fuck knows?